Hello, how are you today?
Hi there. I am good. What about you?
I'm doing great. How can I help you today?
I want to deposit a check.
Sure thing. First, can I have your bank card?
Of course.
Great. Now please enter your PIN, personal identification number, into the card reader.
Okay.
Your PIN was accepted. May I have the check that you want to deposit?
Here you go.
Thanks, I will enter in the information. Please hold on for a moment while I process your check. Okay, your check has been deposited. Is there anything else that you need today?
Yes, actually. I also want to find out what my account balance is.
No problem. I will print out your account balance on a receipt. Okay, here you are.
Thank you so much. That will be all for today.
Okay, have a great day.
You too.